Welcome back. We're with the V again today, except the V is not here. I took that thing to work and developed a misfire. I burnt more plug wires. Melted them, John. So B and I are about to load up in the Escalade, and I'm about to go do some parking lot maintenance on this hoe and get it back home because I have another thing to do when it gets here. All right, there it is. All right, time to get inspecting. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Well, I pulled the passenger side and I thought it was gonna be this one, but it's good. So all the passenger side is good so far. So now I gotta get back into the driver's side, and that's obviously the worst, so hooray. Found our culprit. Pretty sure it's the same one as last time. I learned my lesson, okay? I learned my lesson. I'm gonna go ahead and invest in some more higher temp rated plug wires. Hopefully that'll do it, because you know I'm tired of being stuck in the parking lot. You know, I could have drove it home, could have limped it, but it was starting to backfire. I'm just dumping fuel in those headers, you know, with that not hitting. Kind of spooky, you know, with a cam. Sounds really devastating. Side note, I mean, this is the first time I've had both these out together in public in a while. Looks pretty good, and so do the cars.
Started.
It's not done yet. I gotta put the other one on. That hurts. I am getting a lot better at this. How fast did I take these out? Like under 5 minutes?
5 maybe?
Yeah. That's pretty good for your boy. Okay. Alright, let's start this thing, see if it's Gucci.
This one right here sounds different.
What?
It sounds different.
Like a sewing machine?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it's gonna sound. Can I get your number? Come on, you don't like my car? Your loss. Moments like this is why I wish I was tuned. Hell yeah, dude. I gave him a little bit off camera, and you know, I pulled on him. Just saying. All right, now that excitement's over, we're back home, back in the garage, and I can finally discuss what I was going to talk about before all this stuff went down. I mentioned in the last video that we had a mass airflow sensor on order. Well, I got an email kickback saying that GM is discontinuing those masses. Well, discontinuing, more like discontinued. They're already discontinued. I can't get them anywhere. I can't get them anywhere. I can't find them. Maybe I'm just stupid. I don't know, but I've been looking and I can't. So I'm juggling options right now. The main thing that I probably should do, but I don't want to because it's going to be a lot of money, is I should switch this MAF style to an LS3 or an LS7 card style. I guess to catch you guys up with what the issue is, when I'm wide open throttle and I get into higher RPMs, for whatever reason, the MAF sensor starts failing. It starts misreading and it leans out the car. Super sketchy, super dangerous. I don't want to blow this thing up, but I want to go fast, so I need it. But I have stuff I got to do like right now, and like I said, I don't want to spend a lot of money, so I'm gonna try, before I dump money into this, I'm gonna try to take this MAF sensor out, clean it, put it back, do a pull, and see if it works. If not, then I'm kind of SOL, and I have to drop shit out of luck. And I will have to change. Oh wow, I just noticed that my intake actually, oh, you know what, dang, that was probably from my intake. Actually came out here when it misfired. When it was misfiring earlier, it backfired. It might have backfired through the intake. Probably blew that out. That's kind of oof. So I'm gonna put that back on. Dang, well, I just saw that. All right, but let's tear into this, get this out, clean it, and hope for the best, because just pray for your boy. What? What is it? It's just a bug, baby.
Take it away. No, don't touch it with your hands. No.
She's from an island before. I've seen her hut. She freaks out about bugs like this. I don't get it. Can you explain yourself?
I didn't have a hut.
All right, let's get this started. First thing we're gonna do is pop the trunk, disconnect the battery so we don't piss off the car when I go to start it again, because I definitely did that the last time. When I was swapping the header gasket, I definitely forgot to reset my ECU, and the car was pissed when I started that baby back up. So we're not gonna forget it this time. All right, let's get into this now. Oh, also, I could probably address the elephant in the garage right now. I dye my beard, yes. I am 30 years old and graying like a grandpa. Got my hair cut, I gotta re-dye it. I'm sorry, I'm sure that was a shock mid-video. Okay. Bingo. Worst case scenario, I'm just back to the drawing board as far as buying or finding an OEM one of these, or replacing the entire intake setup so I can run a card style MAF. I would like to spend minimal money here. Okay, I think we're ready to roll. We're gonna do another 2K to 6K pull. I'm gonna be watching the AFR gauge like a hawk. We're aborting if it goes above 12. So the last couple times that I've done it, we get about right around 5K. It'll jump to like 2.7. So it'll be all right as long as I let out of it immediately, but I'm gonna be staring at that thing. So let's keep it on the road. Also, they surprised us with this. They just tear up our road out of nowhere, no warning. What in the world? Holy shit, I had no idea. They ripped up my entire road I normally do these on. I have to go find somewhere new to play. No way. Now that's tragic. My road! Bring it back! Put it back right now. I can't make this up. This is, damn it. She spiked. Guys, you're not gonna believe this. I just went and did that whole data log, ran into all that BS, did all whatever, and I recorded the 360 cam off the back. I forgot to switch it to the 360 lens. Oh well, there's always next video. So a little recap here, what we got in store. The MAF is still back. Plating it did nothing. It's losing itself up in higher RPM, leaning out the car. That's a no-no. We don't want that. So I'm going to go dig through the deep dark web there and find an OEM one. Hopefully I can find an OEM one somewhere. I will look. If that doesn't play out, then you're going to see a new intake video, because that's what's going to be required to run this new MAF sensor that I need. I can't lie, another disappointing video. This sucks. I just want this car done. We are weeks away from the main goal of this car, which is the 2026 Olympic Street Car Shootout, if you guys aren't familiar. But it is a drag and drive event here in Western Washington through the National Forest and whatnot in the drag strip located in Bremerton. We went last year. It was a lot of fun. The car was stock. This year I was hoping to get this back to actually be competitive. We still have plenty of time, but that time is notable now. It's ticking away. That's in August. Yeah, like the first week in August, 2nd, something like that. It's August 7th. We still haven't even done a full pull on this yet. We're still finding stuff that I need to change. We need to lock in. We need to lock on this thing right now. I want to be able to actually go to the drag strip once or twice before the actual event so I can see what it does and see what I need to do to be able to make myself competitive. Now, I know there's a select few of you guys in here that are really wanting to see the content on that, and even some that are really wanting to see the content on Elliot. Believe me, I've got some. I've actually been halfway through a video with Elliot for like a month now. Yeah, I'm working on it, okay? I'm working on it. But this is back burner for now until the main project is done. Once the V is done and I'm able to drive it consistently and race it and it do whatever the hell I need to do on it, then we will full swing into the Subi. I want this thing going as much as the rest of you, believe me. I want it going more than you. Oh man, I mean look, it's been leaking oil all over my garage since I got in here. I wipe this thing up at least every other day. I really should check the oil level at this point. It's probably not even on the stick anymore. Yes, we have a lot on our plate. We got a lot on the to-do list. The V is priority right now, and the V is giving me a headache. But we're gonna get it done. It ain't no thing. It's just time, it's just money, it's fine. But that'll be it for this one. Hopefully in the next one we'll have some better news. Thanks for kicking it with me. I hope you smiled.